Okay, for 72, they give two scenarios. First, Harry is in a pond that has 20 lily pads, and he eats 4 per hour. And then Heinrich is in a pond that has 29 lily pads, and he eats 7 every hour. And then the question says, when will both ponds have an equal number? So we need to set up an expression. So Harry, there's 20, and then we take away 4 every hour, right? So if x is number of hours, then that's 4x. And we want to know when that would be equal to Heinrich's, which is 29 lily pads, but he eats 7 every hour, right? And we want to see when these are equal. So we solve this equation, right? We add 7x to both sides, and we get 20 plus 3x equals 29. We subtract 20 from both sides. We get 3x equals 9, divide by 3, and we get x equals 3. So the answer to A is in 3 hours, right? In 3 hours, that will, both ponds will have the same amount. And then it says how many lily pads will be left in each pond at that time. So in the first pond, in Harry's, it's 20 minus 4x, right? So that would be 20 minus 4 times 3. That would be 8 left, 8 remaining. And we don't need to check Heinrich's because we know it's equal, but let's just double check ourselves, right? So we have 29, right, minus 7x, and 29 minus 7 times 3 hours, right, is 21, and there's 8 remaining. So each of the ponds has 8 remaining lily pads.